Hello students, today you will learn jute textile industry, of lesson 13, manufacturing industries of SS standard 10. We were on page number 104, jute textile industry. Jute is second ranked major industry of India. It ranks second. India holds first place in the production of jute and goods made from jute. In production, India is first. In the things produced by jute. India is at second place after Bangladesh in the export of jute. In production, India is first, but in export, India is second after Bangladesh. Of the total jute production of the country, West Bengal produces about 80%. West Bengal. Near Bay of Bengal. So jute crop require hot and humid climate. So that is why jute is grown there. Andhra Pradesh about 10% and the rest is produced by Bihar, Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Orissa, Assam and Tripura. Much water is needed to purify jute. जूट को गुजराती में सणियू शण बोलते हैं. तो शण में से सैक बनते हैं, कोथरे. मच वाटर इज नीडेड टू प्योरीफाई जूट. और ये सिंदरी बम बोलते हैं हम. उसमें जूट का इस्तेमाल होता है. सो मोस्ट द मिल्स आर लोकेटेड ऑन द बैंक ऑफ हुगली रिवर. मच वाटर इज रिक्वायर्ड फॉर जूट प्रोडक्शन. So they are located at the Hooghly River. This industry is concentrated in West Bengal due to cheap labor force. वहाँ पे labor force cheap है, workers are available. Bank and insurance coverage, bank facility, loan facility and insurance coverage. Port for export facility, port है West Bengal के पास sea coast पे. Today, the demand for jute has decreased because of other options in packing material. Nowadays, artificial packing sack are available for goods. Jute industry is facing such problems like more cost of production and decreasing demand. अब jute से बने हुए सैक कोथरे की डिमांड कम है in international market. Now, silk textile industry. Silk production has a long tradition. After China, India ranks second in the world in silk production. In India, 4 types of silk are produced. These are mulberry, eri, tasar and muga. Today, there are about 300 silk weaving mill in India. Major states producing silk are Karnataka, Madhya Pradesh, West Bengal, Tamil Nadu, Punjab and Jammu Kashmir. Silken cloths are exported to Europe, Africa and Gulf countries. Besides, these are also exported to Germany, Singapore, USA, Kuwait, Malaysia and Russia. In international market, Indian silk is facing a tough competition from China. So generally in industries, Indians or Indian industries are facing tough competition from China. Here there is map. You can locate different industries at different place. It is asked in board exam. So that practice we will do later. Next page. Woolen textile industry, sweater, muffler, etc. As a cottage industry, the history of woolen textile industry is very old, since ancient time. Woolen garments are made in India. Mills are in Punjab. Next comes Maharashtra. There are woolen textile mill in Uttar Pradesh also. Ahmedabad and Jamnagar in Gujarat are center of woolen cloths. Other major centers are Bikaner and Jaipur in Rajasthan, Srinagar in Jammu Kashmir, and Bengaluru in Karnataka. India also produces woolen carpet. Woolen cloth is exported to America, Canada, Germany, France, and Russia. Synthetic textile industry. Okay, cloth is made in factory, means artificially from chemicals. The cloth made from synthetic fiber made by men is strong, durable and doesn't retain wrinkles. उसमें crease नहीं पड़ती जल्दी. Hence, this industry has developed very much. The cotton fibers are mixed with synthetic fiber. उसके साथ mix करते हैं. When we go to buy cloth, okay, so shopkeeper says that in this cloth this much percentage are of cotton and this much percentage are of silk. These are mixed to get mixed variety of cloth. Main producer of this industry are Kerala, Gujarat, Uttar Pradesh, West Bengal, Tamil Nadu, etc. Other centers are Surat, Kanpur, Mumbai, Ahmedabad, Kolkata, Chennai, Modinagar, etc. Now, sugar industries. Making jaggery from sugarcane juice is very old industry in India. गुड़ बनाने का बहुत पुराना स्किल है इंडिया के पास. Sugar industry stands second after textile in agrarian industries in India. Agricultural industries में sugar industry rank second after textile. After reaping the crop of sugarcane, it has to be squeezed within 24 hours. Squeeze मतलब उसमें से juice निकाल लेना पड़ता है within 24 hours, so that the amount of water is not reduced. तो ज्यादा शेरडी का रस निकलता है, otherwise its sugar content will decrease. जल्दी नहीं निकालते जूस शुगर कैन में से तो उसका शुगर कंटेंट डिक्रीज हो जाता है. दिस इज वाई sugar factories are located near sugarcane growing centers, so transportation become fast. Sugar factories are located in Maharashtra, Uttar Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Gujarat, etc. This industry is developed in Gujarat at Bardoli, Ganadevi, Surat, Navsari, Viara, Bharuch, and Kodinar and Talala Gir. So sugar industries are located where sugar is grown. Okay, sugarcane is grown. Now, paper industry. Paper is made out of soft wood, bamboo, grass, मोलासिस एटसेट्रा. जो ये शुगर इंडस्ट्री का जो वेस्ट होता है शुगर केन में से जूस निकाल लेने के बाद, दैट वेस्ट इज ऑल्सो यूजफुल इन पेपर इंडस्ट्री. इट इज प्रोड्यूस इन आंध्र प्रदेश, महाराष्ट्र, वेस्ट बंगाल, ओडिशा, कर्नाटका, गुजरात, मध्य प्रदेश, छत्तीसगढ़, तमिलनाडु एंड हरियाणा एटसेट्रा. तो दैट मीन्स पेपर इंडस्ट्री इज लोकेटेड इन मेनी स्टेट्स. ये मोलासिस वर्ड है वो शुगर इंडस्ट्री का जो वेस्ट है शुगर केन का उसके लिए है. मिनरल बेस्ड इंडस्ट्रीज. Those industries wherein minerals are used as raw material are known as mineral based industry. जो इंडस्ट्रीज में minerals become raw material, तो that is mineral based industries. Industries such as iron and steel industry, aluminium industry. एल्यूमिनियम का रॉ मटेरियल है बॉक्साइट. ओके, आयरन का आयरन ओर, कॉपर, केमिकल, फर्टिलाइजर्स, सीमेंट इंडस्ट्री, मीन्स ऑफ ट्रांसपोर्टेशन. ओके, व्हीकल बनाने में, एंड इलेक्ट्रिकल गुड्स आर मिनरल बेस्ड इंडस्ट्रीज. नाउ आयरन एंड स्टील इंडस्ट्री. Iron and steel industry is the axis of modern industrial and economic development. Main axis. Okay. It is considered to be the base industry because iron is used in making most of things. Machines and other constructions are produced from its production. Machines and other construction. Okay, in construction, constructing road, okay, apartment, making vehicles, machines, so iron is required everywhere. This can be also considered to be key industry. The process of making iron is very old in India. Iron was imported from India to make sword in Damascus. Damascus, Iran में है. तो iron was imported in Iraq, Iran to make sword, तलवार बनाने के लिए. The first factory in India to produce iron was established at Port Nova in Tamil Nadu. Modern, present time first factory, Port Nova in Tamil Nadu. It was closed due to some reasons. A successful production of raw iron was made at Kulti in 1907. The factory established at Jamshedpur started producing iron steel on very large scale. So Jamshedji Tata started making iron steel on large scale. Factories were established at Burnpur in West Bengal and at Bhadarwati in Karnataka. Iron and steel factories were also established in Bhilai, Rourkela and at Durgapur. Other large-scale industries were founded at Bokaro, Visakhapatnam and Salem. Iron ore, coal, limestone and manganese are used as raw material for producing iron steel. Okay. Iron ore, coal, limestone and manganese are required as raw material for production of iron steel. A mini steel plant has been found near Hazira in Gujarat, Surat के पास Hazira. The administration of all iron steel factories except Tata is handed over to Steel Authority of India Limited, SAIL, S-A-I-L. India ranked 5th in the world in iron and steel production. Here it is another map, okay, which shows the iron factories, steel factories in India at different locations. Next page, page number 108. After iron and steel industry, aluminium refining is another important industry. Okay, aluminium is light weight metal, electric conductor, so it is also used in making utensils, okay, electrical gadgets. This mineral is light in weight, strong, malleable, मतलब हैमरिंग कर सकते हैं, doesn't brittle, break नहीं हो जाती. Malleable, smooth conductor of electricity and rust proof, उसको जंग काट नहीं लगता. Bauxite is the aluminium ore. Aluminium ore का नाम है bauxite. Other minerals are mixed with aluminium, which is useful in making car. तो दूसरे minerals mix करते हैं aluminium के साथ, so it become useful in making car, railway, aeroplane and machines. About 40 to 50% of expenses is incurred in electricity. Okay, in aluminium factory, main expense is electricity. Total running cost में से main cost 40 or 50% is of electricity bill. So this industry is founded where hydroelectricity and bauxite are available easily. तो hydroelectricity जहाँ पे electricity सस्ते में मिलती है वहाँ पे एल्यूमिनियम फैक्ट्री लगाते हैं. Factories producing aluminium are established in Odisha, West Bengal, Kerala, Uttar Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Maharashtra and Tamil Nadu. Okay students, next part of this lesson you will study in next video.